Guys, Eric from Ziebart. Got another video today. This is gonna be a good video. This customer came in for a maintenance on an undercoat. We figured since it was here, we would show you a wrap we did 3 years ago now. This is from Eisenzoll's farm. This thing sits outside. It's on a farm. It gets abused. This is a full print from us. We created the design. We printed it. We laminated it. This has a UV stable ink and also UV stable laminate that we put over top of it. I can't think of a better example to show a vinyl on a vehicle other than farm equipment. So we know that the abuse it takes getting loaded, unloaded, just getting clean, pressure wash all the time. This thing is held up beautifully. So I'd like to kind of take out a little tour of it, get a closer in-depth look at it. So we all know that anybody in the vinyl industry knows that the hardest thing about doing graphics, any kind of vehicle like this, is always the rivets. They tend to tent really bad. They tend to peel up. Food trucks, another big example. This thing has held up amazingly. I think we've done 2 of their trailers like this. We also did their combine, which was awesome. Maybe we can post a picture of the combine as well. So I believe we even did like an overhead garage door or something for a proposal. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, why don't we just kind of take the tour, look at the depth of the color, how beautiful this has held up for 3 years of sun. It's a big canvas, so it would show a lot of defects. This thing honestly just looks amazing. And what better way than to have God Bless America, guys. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Check it out. Post a comment down below, like the video, and if you guys want to see the combine we did with the same farm, ask about it. We'll post it for you guys. Thanks so much. Take care. Fly like an eagle.